Frightening. She needs to grow up. Zac Efron is joining me now here on the red carpet. How you doing, buddy?
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good, man. Good to see you. So you have some official work tonight, don't you?
Yeah, definitely. Unfortunately, I can't divulge too much about it. It's top secret at this point. But yeah, it's gonna be.
Was it a tough number? Is it tricky for you, or is it pretty easy?
It came together very, very quickly. So it's not too demanding, but it is very exciting.
And it's an honor, I'm sure, to be with all of these actors tonight.
It's a huge honor.
Did you have a favorite?
Did I get here? I can't believe it.
You are a superstar. Favorite movie? Did you have a favorite movie?
Man, everything this year. It's, you know what? I can't really choose between Milk. Gosh, Slumdog Millionaire was incredible. It's really tough. I can't say.
And you're doing a movie called 17 again, which is it kind of like Big? Is it similar?
It is. Yeah, it's actually the exact opposite.
Oh, it's the opposite. It's the antithesis.
Yeah. So Matthew Perry plays the older version of me, and he becomes young again. So I take over and play the 17-year-old version.
Great. Well, good luck. Have fun in there.
Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you.
Good to see you. Vanessa, how are you? Nice to see you. You look very pretty.
Thank you very much.
So who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Marquesa.
Okay. Marquesa, oh, that's Harvey Weinstein's wife, the designer.
Exactly. I'm in love with her. She's the best.
She's really talented. Why did you like this one?
She actually redid it for me. It was a short dress and she made it long, and I just felt like the young Audrey Hepburn.
But it's very pretty. How many different things did you have to go through to find the right one?
Honestly, not that many. I think I went through about 3.
Now, do you have to do anything official inside?
Yes. I do.
Okay. Zac was not giving me too much. Can you give me a little? Like he just perked up. What? Yeah, come on. Spill a little bit about. Are you guys on stage at the same time? Probably.
You'll have to see.
Now, how come you're separated on the carpet? You're not speaking together.
I don't know.
Is that a strategy?
My own thing.
All right. Well, have fun in there. Nice to see you.
Very much. Nice seeing you.
Okay. Take care. Vanessa Hudgens here on the red carpet with Zac Efron making their way in, so we'll see what happens on the show. By the way, I was talking to the folks over at ABC, and they said the rehearsals went great. Hugh Jackman's in good spirits and not nervous at all for the big show. We'll be right back. More action, more spontaneity as the stars arrive right here, live from the red carpet at the Academy Awards.